Hi everyone and welcome back. So today, as part of our Flylady baby steps, today we're going to be checking our calendars. So we're going to be checking our calendars in the evening just to make sure that we're laying out the clothes that are going to be appropriate for tomorrow. And then we're going to check them in the morning just to make sure that we know what's going on. So that's going to be part of your laying out your clothes for the evening, and then also part of your morning routine, really just to make sure that you're set up for the rest of the day. So what I do is I have a calendar that my family kind of share, and I keep it on my phone. I don't have a paper calendar. I tend to lose things when I do that. So it's, like I said, it's on my phone. So that's something that you could definitely do in the mornings just to really make sure that you're ready for the day. So, I like to put all sorts of stuff. I like to go and put birthdays. If it's a holiday, I like to put those on there. Actually, my dad's birthday is coming up, so that's on my calendar to call him and wish him a happy birthday. You can, and I'm sorry, I just quickly ran in here, so I'm really thirsty. I need my sweet tea. So things you can put on your calendar, you can put those weekly plans on your calendar. So put the weekly home blessing as maybe part of, put it in little chunks of 10 minutes. You could do that. Your plan and play day, put that in there as well. Put everything inside your calendar. That way you're prepared and you won't forget anything. So I hope that helped. And I will see you guys tomorrow, where we're going to be, I think we're adding the last thing to our morning routine. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys are enjoying the video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit my face on the left and hit the bell notification icon if you want to be notified the next time I have a video out. And I have a video that is designed just for you. It's going to be on the right. So go ahead and click it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.